Hello everyone, this is an iPhone 15 Pro battery replacement. As you can see, the battery is expanded and we're going to have to take out these P2 screws and then we will heat up the screen and I'll show you guys how to pry off the screen. All right, use your P2 screwdriver, remove the two screws from the bottom, then heat up the screen for about 10 minutes on a heater, and you want it to be at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll want a suction cup and use a plastic pry tool to pry off the screen. It's already lifting off the screen a little bit, so it makes it a little bit easier, but you might need to get it even hotter than just 10 minutes on the heating pad. Like a heating gun is very handy to have when you're trying to pry off the screen, and just work your way around the edges and slowly lift on the screen. And I actually test to see if the screen works, but I don't share that in the video just to save you guys some time. Take your time and use some alcohol, and you could get the screen off without breaking it. And then you'll open it up from the right to the left. Once you have it open, then you can remove these Y000 screws in yellow. Once all the screws are removed, then you can remove the bracket. I recommend using a plastic spudger in your finger and you kind of slide it towards you and then you can lift it out. Then we'll disconnect the battery. Use a plastic spudger, the flat end, and disconnect the battery right here in red. And then you'll disconnect the screen and the proximity sensor to prevent any damages to the screen while you're trying to remove the battery. So we'll take off the screen and get this disconnected. And that's in blue, and this one is in blue as well, so you guys know what connectors to remove. All right, so now we got to pry out the battery. Look at how expanded it is. I'm not quite sure what would cause the battery to expand this much, but these things do happen. So we'll grab our alcohol and our big plastic pry tool and put some alcohol underneath the battery's adhesive and let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll pry out the battery. So when we pry out the battery, we pry up here on the top with our big plastic pry tool. And I recommend be very careful to try not to damage the cameras or anything you're using it to kind of have leverage on. So just be careful you don't damage anything else while you pry out the battery. Once you got the battery removed, you'll have to go and clean up the adhesive. And what I like to do is I just grab some fine pointed tweezers and kind of rotate it, and then slowly it picks up the adhesive as you rotate it and it comes off. So then you can clean it up, and then the new adhesive will stick down better if you clean up the adhesive. Otherwise, the battery could come loose inside the phone if you don't clean up the adhesive, and it won't stick as well. It's pretty straightforward for how the battery comes out, but taking off the screen is definitely the hardest part of this repair, and you could end up breaking the screen. All right, here's the new battery. We're going to use this Amstrix battery that has a 1-year warranty, which makes it a great battery to use. And we also have some adhesive that we'll lay down after we put the battery on. First, you'll want to lay down the connection and connect it on first before you lay the battery completely down. Otherwise, you might have to pry out the battery and put it back down to get it to connect right. So boom, we got the battery in, and now we'll disconnect it and connect the screen and give it a test to make sure everything is working. Now we are going to lay down the adhesive and get that all prepared for when we test it, and then we can put the screen all the way back together. And I wanted to make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It helps me stay motivated to make more content. As long as I am growing, then I'm going to still make content for you guys on how to repair things. I do phones, drones, I do computers, custom builds, a lot of different content on my channel. Check out my channel. I have a ton of stuff that I teach people how to fix stuff. And then I also have some fun videos and some fun short stories. So we connect it on the screen, we'll turn it on, and then we will, I'll show you here what kind of battery it is in your battery settings. It shows unverified, and it shows 100% capacity, which is great, and it is unverified because it's an aftermarket battery. You can still buy OEM batteries, but they just don't come with as good of a warranty as the aftermarket ones do. All right, we're going to put it back together and I'm going to introduce you to this video sponsor. Hey everyone, it's Mark, and here today I'm excited to introduce you to the Firmoo Snap-On Series glasses. If you're looking for versatile and style, these are the game changer. With the Snap-On Series, you can easily switch your look in seconds. Whether you're going for a classic vibe or something more bold, these glasses got you covered. Just snap on a new frame and you're ready to go. They're super lightweight and comfortable perfect to wear all day, plus the quality is top notch, ensuring you the best vision and style combined. Want to support the channel and grab a pair for yourself? Use my promo code in the description below for an exclusive discount. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. And remember, with Firmoo Snap-On Series, you're not just buying glasses, you're investing in a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're at work, out with friends, or just relaxing at home, these glasses adapt to your every need. Grab out your Y000 screwdriver and screw down all the screws that hold down the bracket. And then you have done the battery replacement. Woohoo! Worth it. Comment below if you found my guide helpful. Leave me a thanks. That would be very much appreciated. Anyways, I'm going to speed up this part of the video. You guys can take it from here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
It's your